Welcome to Auto Turbo Heels. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated American supercars ever, the 2026 Corvette Zora. This car isn't just another evolution of the Corvette legacy, it's the revolution we've all been waiting for. The Zora takes everything that made the Corvette an icon, power, style, and innovation, and pushes it into a new dimension of performance and technology. Let's start with what makes the Zora so special. Named after Zora Arkus Duntov, the father of the Corvette, this model is the ultimate tribute to his dream, a mid-engine, track-dominating American supercar that can stand toe-to-toe with the world's best. And believe it or not, the 2026 Corvette Zora might just be that car. Under its sculpted body sits a heart that beats with pure aggression, a twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter flat-plane crank V8. Early reports suggest it's paired with a hybrid assist system that boosts total output to a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, a 4-digit figure from a Corvette. That's Bugatti and McLaren territory. And the best part, it's still built in Bowling Green, Kentucky, proudly wearing the Chevrolet badge. All that power is channeled through an advanced dual-clutch transmission, sending torque to all four wheels thanks to a sophisticated all-wheel drive system derived from the E-Ray's hybrid layout. This gives the Zora insane traction off the line, with 0 to 60 miles per hour expected in under 2 seconds flat. That's quicker than nearly anything on the road today, and yes, that includes the Tesla Model S Plaid. Now let's talk design. The 2026 Corvette Zora looks like a spaceship sculpted from carbon fiber. Every curve, every vent, every surface has been engineered for aerodynamic perfection. The front fascia takes cues from the Z06 but amplifies them, wider intakes, more aggressive lines, and a front splitter that looks ready to slice through the air. The rear end is dominated by an active wing that automatically adjusts for maximum downforce at speed. It's not just beautiful, it's brutally functional. The stance is low and wide, hugging the pavement like it was born on a racetrack. Massive carbon ceramic brakes peek through forged lightweight wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R tires. Whether you're on a straightaway or carving through corners, the Zora looks ready to devour any challenge you throw at it. Step inside, and the cabin feels like a fighter jet cockpit. The driver sits low, surrounded by premium Alcantara, carbon fiber, and digital precision. The steering wheel is flat-topped and flat-bottomed, with controls for drive modes and hybrid assist right at your fingertips. The digital instrument cluster is fully configurable, showing performance data, G-forces, and even boost levels from the hybrid system. It's immersive, high-tech, and unmistakably Corvette. And let's not forget, the Zora isn't just about brute strength. It's engineered for control, with advanced magnetic ride suspension, active aero, torque vectoring, and adaptive damping. The car reads the road like a supercomputer. Chevrolet engineers have spent countless hours fine-tuning the chassis to ensure that despite its monstrous power, it handles with surgical precision. Whether you're on the highway or the Nürburgring, the Zora delivers balance, feedback, and confidence. When it comes to pricing, the Corvette Zora is expected to be the most expensive production Corvette ever built. Rumors place the starting price around $250,000, a steep jump from the Z06, but still far less than its European rivals like the Ferrari SF90 or Lamborghini Revuelto. And considering the performance it delivers, that price might just make it the ultimate supercar bargain of the decade. The 2026 Corvette Zora represents more than just a car, it's a symbol. A statement that American engineering can compete on the world stage with the most elite machines. It's the final evolution of a dream that started 70 years ago, a dream Zora Arkus Duntov had when he first imagined what the Corvette could become. Now, his name graces the most advanced, most powerful, and most extreme Corvette ever made. The Zora bridges the gap between the past and the future, between pure combustion fury and electrified innovation. It's a masterpiece that blends heritage with technology, muscle with intelligence, and speed with precision. This isn't just a car, it's a legend in motion. So, get ready, because when the 2026 Corvette Zora hits the streets, it's going to change the definition of an American supercar forever. It's not just fast, it's fearless. It's not just powerful, it's revolutionary. The Zora is the Corvette that dares to challenge the world, and wins. This is Auto Turbo Heels. Thanks for watching.